Hey guys, so today I'm here in San Antonio. I'm here with some very special people. So I got my parents visiting me after a year and a half. They're both here. What's up, Mum? You want to say hi? Hi. What's up, Dad? Carol's still special as well.
Thank you.
So yeah, it's our first time here in San Antonio. I've never been here as well. Not sure how, because it's one of the main places here to visit in Texas. About three hours away from Houston. And yeah, we're just going to be exploring here today and tomorrow during the weekend. There's supposed to be a lot of like historic stuff here, lots of like cool buildings and stuff. So yeah, let's see what we find. So the first stop is one of the main historic locations called the Alamo. So we're just in the queue waiting to get in. So you're not actually allowed to film in the Alamo, they don't allow it. It was pretty nice inside though. So that was a church built in 1717 by the Spanish when Mexico still was New Spain. And it was the battleground of a battle called the Alamo in 1836, which the Texans actually lost that battle. It's one of the most historic locations here in Texas. I think it is the most historic location here. And even though Texas lost this battle, they later on won another battle, and that's how it became Texas. I forgot to also mention that the entrance to the Alamo is actually for free, but you can do like guided tours for like $15. But yeah, you get all this for free if you want. It's also got a really nice garden as well, a museum. It's kind of weird though, you're basically on the ground of a place where, I don't know, anywhere between 500 to 800 people died. So yeah, pretty crazy. And I think now we're gonna head out and visit some of the other touristic places around here. We've come down to the Riverwalk now. It's probably one of the nicest places you'll see. You can see it here. Looks really beautiful. Got all like the trees and stuff around. So you can find loads of like bars and restaurants, so really nice place to come and eat. And we actually ate here last night. It was really nice. It's all like lit up. You have the cool boats going past as well, so we're probably going to get on the boat later on. To stop by the river to have a meal. So we're at the oldest restaurant here on the Riverwalk. It's been here since 1946. It's called Casa Rio, Mexican restaurant. I'm eating some vegetable quesadillas here. What are you eating, Carol?
Enchiladas.
Enchiladas. And what about Mom and Dad?
Guacamole salad.
Guacamole salad. And got an awesome view here. Pretty good.
That's what we have.
Ready, dude? So we're now heading to the Cathedral of San Fernando, the main big cathedral here. And from what I understand, they started making this cathedral in like 1738, and then sometime in the 1800s they like renovated it with some like Gothic style architecture. So we'll see how it looks. So here it is, the Cathedral of San Fernando. So we've come inside the cathedral and there's actually like a 15th birthday celebration going on, which I guess is a big thing in Mexican culture. So yeah, we're just watching that right now. Alright, we left the cathedral. People were kind of like looking at us. They were probably thinking, what are you guys doing at this birthday party? We've now come to a little neighborhood called La Villita, and it's actually the first ever neighborhood here in San Antonio. So it has all like buildings from the late 1800s, early 1900s, and now it's kind of like a small art community. So it's loads of people selling art and stuff. So yeah, we're just gonna walk around here a bit. So it turns out there's actually a little food festival going on here called East Meets West. So there's all like Asian food and stuff. So yeah, I just got myself a meal here. Some Indian food. So this is vegetable, I think basmati, with basmati rice. And you guys have got kebabs, right?
Yep.
What's in it?
Mine is lamb.
Lamb. Is it tasty? Yep. Let's see how it is. So we just came back to the Cathedral of San Fernando. Apparently there's supposed to be like some really cool like light show here when it gets dark. We decided we should probably check it out. That was cool, wasn't it? Alright. That artistic piece there was definitely probably one of the best artistic things I've ever seen. I'm not even exaggerating. Like the colours and just everything was amazing. It was about like 20 to 30 minutes long, and it was basically painting a picture of US history. Not just San Antonio, it had everything from like slavery, Indians, the industry. It was showing all sorts of stuff. Super impressive. I didn't really expect it to be that good. And we're heading back now. It's been a great day, lots of cool historic stuff. Very beautiful place, like I said. And tomorrow we're gonna probably be trying to do a few other things. We haven't seen everything yet, depends on the weather, but yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you're passing Texas, I think you should definitely come to San Antonio. So that's all for me. And as always, like the video if you liked it to help me out. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.
Bye.